What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can recover your Google account. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So I recently received an email from Google that my Google account has been deleted due to the terms of service violations. So this is a Google account that I didn't use for a very long time and that I honestly forgot about. So in this video we will see how we can recover that Google account. If you didn't receive this email, stay tuned and I will show you a second way on how you can recover an account. So for the first option, just go to the account recovery page by clicking on the link that Google provided. Here you can input the email address of that Google account and then click Next. So this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. So I will click Next. Then I need to finish a CAPTCHA. Once you checkmark the CAPTCHA, you can click Next again. So it seems that I was actually too late in trying to recover this account because I waited a few days. So I would advise you to try to recover your account as soon as you receive that email from Google, because if you don't, they will permanently delete all your data connected to that account like they did in my case. So let's try the second way. Go back to the email and click on the Google Accounts Help Center. So here just scroll down to the bottom and click Post to help the community. Here just type in Recover and select the first option. Here you have a short tutorial, but you can again click Need more help and then click Post a question. And on this screen you can describe your issue in detail and a Google employee will respond and assist you in the recovery of your account. So in my case, because my account was actually deleted and I didn't forget a password or something in those lines, I won't create a ticket. But in your case, if you simply need to recover an account, you can do that here. So those are the two options that you have in the recovery of your Google account. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.